If your listening skills could use a tune-up or you simply want to become a better listener, then today's video is for you. Today I'm going to offer you 3 tools for becoming a better, more active listener. If we haven't met, welcome. My name is Dr. Nina Petit Mange. I'm a clinical psychologist and high-performance coach. I created this channel to offer you tips and tools and strategies to help you take your career and life to the next level. Today I want to offer you 3 quick tips that can take your listening skills to the next level. The first tip is repeating, and this is how it works. When someone is speaking to you, whether it be in an interview, a colleague at lunch, your boss, your spouse, or a friend, and you're listening to what they're saying, try repeating back the last 2 or 3 words they've said. Now, obviously, you don't want to sound like a parrot and use this strategy on every single thing they say. However, if you use this strategically and intermittently, what you do is you're letting your listener know that you hear what they're saying. It also signifies to them that you're interested and tuned in. So, just repeating back the last 2 or 3 words they say can help them understand that you are listening to them better, and it also forces you to tune in and listen more carefully. Now, the second tip I have for you is to summarize, and this is how this works. After you've listened to someone speak for a while, take time to think about what it is they're really telling you. Then, in your own words, summarize back to them what you've heard. Again, this does a couple of things for both you and the speaker. It lets the speaker know that you understood what they were saying, that you were taking time to comprehend and process the information they're sharing. And it also helps you truly digest and truly hear what they're communicating. Now, the third tool that I want to offer you is to reflect, and this is how this works. After you've listened to someone speak for a while, reflecting simply means thinking about what they said and then offering your understanding back to them. And you actually do preface this by saying something like, "Let me see if I understand. This is what I think I'm hearing," or "This is what I think you're saying." And you reflect back in your own words, your understanding of what they're communicating. Again, this offers them a deeper level of connection with you and shows your listener that you're really, truly trying to get what they're saying. This tool is incredibly effective for improving rapport with others at work and in your personal life, as well as building deeper connections. So those are my 3 tools that I wanted to offer you today for improving your listening skills. I hope they help, and I'll see you in the next video.